Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with us 10 platforms to get unlimited design inspiration. Like I always say, good design doesn't come by accident. You have to be intentional about your journey as a designer, and getting inspiration actually is one of the ways to stay growing, right? Seeing what other people have done to see what you can do better and how you can improve in your design. The first website, though, the first platform that we're going to be discussing is Mostly. One thing I like about this platform is that it has a website and it has an extension. I use the extension. So the name of the extension is mostly.li or Mostly extension. Just type Mostly extension on your browser and it will pull it up. This is their platform. So once you open it up, you're going to see Get Mostly for Edge. That's the extension. The reason it's saying Get Mostly for Edge is because I'm using an Edge browser. If you're using Chrome, you're going to see Get Mostly for Chrome, or any other browser that you're going to, any other browser you're using is just going to tailor it to that browser. So once you do that, you're going to click and then set up or install the plugin on your browser. It's already installed in mine, so I don't need to install it again. Now, what this extension does is that it makes your browser, like your browser window, a platform of inspirations. What do I mean by that? This is my browser, the way it's looking now. You can see like some design. So each time I open a new tab or each time I open my browser, you get to see latest designs that are trending. Like for example, look at this design. Say if I scroll down, it to start loading, right? To start loading other designer. I use this, like the first thing I do every time I open my browser is to take in inspiration, because as a designer, you have to be intentional, right, about the things you take in, so that, because just like the word goes, garbage in, garbage out, it's actually what you put in that you're going to put out, right? So my browser serves as a mood board for me. Somehow you can see this is a collection of designs by other designers, and the beautiful thing about it is that you can actually stay on your browser window, this Mostly extension, right, a browser window, and access every other platform. You can see I can access this platform. I need to filter all the designs there. I can access this one, need to filter all the design. You can see this one. This is Mostly Shorts. This is Dribble. I mean, Mostly Blogs. I get to read blogs, trending blogs, or maybe to stay updated on design topics, or maybe trending topics in the industry. I can see Behance. You can see you can even access Behance from the extension on your browser without having to go to behance.net or something. You can see other platforms like Awards, right? Awards, you can also go to Awards website, which is awards.com, but I can stay here and access all these designs. So if I click on any of this one now and then open it up, let's allow it to load. You can see this is a website that has been vetted by Awards, and the score is 7.28 over 10, which is cool. So you get to see how real life designs are being analyzed. If you should scroll down, right? If you should scroll down, you see a breakdown of the score. You can see design 40%. You can see usability at 30%, you can see creativity 20%, and content. So it breaks it down for you how they graded this website, and you can see the judges here. So Awards helps you to access relevant designs, not just trends or something, but designs that are relevant in the industry, right? And that has been done by other designs that have been done by other designers. You get to see how other designers do their work, how they vetted their designs. You get to learn what you can pick up from the things that they've done, or maybe what you think you can improve on your end, right? So that's it for this Mostly. And the beautiful thing is that you can actually access more websites or more platforms. You can see a lot of platforms that are housed there, right? You can choose to make almost all of them visible, right? But you can't just do it here. So anyone that you want to, you might want to do that. Like the one that we just made visible now, if I click it, you'll see like all the design inspirations that are available there. You can see this one is for colors. If you are looking for a color palette, right? This one has like color palette inspirations that you can take samples, or maybe this icon here, and you see lists of other platforms that you can access using this extension. So it's an amazing extension for you guys to try out. It has been helping me. I don't necessarily need to go to other platforms to get inspiration. I just stay on my browser and I get all the inspiration that I need. The next platform is WeFlow templates. The reason I like this platform is that they are already like existing, they're already functional designs, right? They've already been built. If I should open up this one now, if I should open up this, let me go back. I want to open it on a new window. So if I should open up this, you get to see like this is the website. I don't like this one. Let's look for another one and open it up. Let's try this one. I like it. It's dark, right? So if I should open this one, you can see how cool the website is. Particularly looking the website is, you get to see a lot of things. And the thing there is that when you talk about getting design inspiration, it's not just maybe like, it's not for you to start probably copying maybe other designers' work. No, that's not the goal. The goal is for you to see how, one of the goals is for you to see how other people have been able to like design, like for you to understand the thought process of other designers. How were they able to like think up this idea? How were they able to like get to this level? And the thing there is that it might not actually really be the design that will inspire you. It could maybe like be this animation, this slide animation that is going on, maybe this hover style that when you hover, the white text changes to black and all those things, right? It could be what will inspire you, or maybe the way they use this lettering, or maybe typography on the background and maybe like faded it, or maybe the way they arrange the way they structure the website, or maybe the way they arranged it. A couple of things could be what is inspiring you. WeFlow templates also helps you to get access to functional design that have been done by other designers. They have like thousands of designs here that you can take inspiration from. Let's say you are building a landing page, right? You can just come here and search for a landing page that is related to the project that you are building on, and then you check it out, right? Check the page out. So let's say you are building a landing page related to this project. You can see how they designed there. This is amazing. Look at the way they designed this layer and the subtle animation, right? Interaction there. You can just take inspiration. So, okay, I want something like this, which is really, really, really amazing, right? So that's it for WeFlow template. Then, so one thing I like about this referral website or platform is that it shows you almost all the flows for any product or any project that you click on. You can see all the flows. You can get to like click on it and then see them, and you can like want to check out this website, right? So if we should open it up now, you can see the way they designed this. Maybe it's the layout that you like. This one, like just check them out to see what you can actually learn from them. Look at their FAQ style. Maybe you want to create an FAQ section. This is maybe like, this could actually inspire you, right? So getting variety of inspiration from different platforms can actually help you create something unique for yourself, right? So the next platform is nicelydone.club, right? One thing I like about nicelydone.club is they mostly display websites by popular platforms like Slack, GitHub, and others, right? They are really known for showing you almost all the flows for these platforms. So those popular platforms that you know about, you can come here and search them, and you get to see how they designed their flows and how they were able to like design their layouts. Like this is Slack layout, right? You can see the way they designed it. Right? If this inspires you, you can maybe like take a look at it more. But for you to access more screens on this Nicely Done, you will need to create an account. The next one is ScreenL. I really love ScreenL a lot because you get access to both mobile and websites. Mobile and web page layouts. Like this is a mobile and for like popular apps as well. So this is like for a mobile app. This is app screen for a mobile app. So if I open it up, you get to see like the flows. You can see the sign up flow. You can see this onboarding flow. You can see this is the sign up flow and everything. You get to see how other designers have actually like achieved most of the things that you're trying to achieve, the way they designed for example, if you are looking for a way to design a pop-up or a modal, this is a modal. You can take a sample from here. You can see the way they design their style, which is cool, right? So just check them out. Then they also have different platforms, right? Like if you want to check the desktop, like maybe like landing pages and others, you can check out landing pages. You can see once you open up landing page, you see like all the landing pages that are available. Let's say you are creating a landing page for a product that is related to this. You can check out this and see how they have been able, like they were able to like create. Once you open it up, you're going to see all the flows that are related to that product or maybe in that particular one that you selected, right? So a couple of reasons that could maybe, and they also analyze the color palettes that were used for each of the designs. Like for example, this particular project, these are the color palettes that are available that were used on the design. So you might need to check it out. You can say hero header, you can see most of them. So just check this platform out, ScreenL.com. You will really love them. The next one is UIGoodies. UIGoodies is actually amazing, right? One of the things I like about them is that, let's say you are designing something and you don't know where to get maybe like your icons or something. It gives you like a variety of resources ranging from icons, illustrations, like you get to learn about so many UX topics in accessibility and others, like graphics. You can see all the resources that are available. You can see icons. You have like 76 resources. If I should open it up there, you can see like all the platforms where you can get like icons, right? All the platforms where you can get free icons. Look at this one, icons, Atlas icons, basic icons, and others. So if we should open any of them up, let's try this hero icons, and you see that you have like amazing icons that you can get access to, right? Instead of you start thinking of, or maybe thinking of where do I get icons, this is readily available for you. So you just have one platform that provides you access to everything: illustration, inspiration, typography, photos, and everything. So it's an amazing platform for you to check out, UIGoodies.com. Then the next one is Mobbins.com or Mobbin. I'm sure most of us already know about this. I think Mobbin is quite popular. So when you come to Mobbin, you will need to create an account for you to access more screens for any product that you select. One of the things about Mobbin is that Mobbin houses like real life apps, iOS apps and Android apps. So you get to filter between iOS and Android apps. So this, like I selected an iOS apps. These are all apps that are running on iOS platform, right? And you get to see their name. This is Swiggy, this is Pi, this is Sterling Bank. Let's check out Sterling Bank, and you get to see their flows. These are all the flows for Sterling Bank. And the thing there is that for you to access more of the flows, you need to go pro. That means you need to create a pro account, and it's just $8 per month. So you guys might need to check it out if you are really interested in doing it. And the thing there is that one thing I would advise as a designer, if you are finding it difficult, or maybe if you're working on a project and you're finding it difficult to understand how a particular maybe like flow can be designed, just check out any of these platforms to see how other designers have done it. It will help you to know what to do or how to then create whatever you want to create. Yeah, so that's it for Mobbins. Just come to Mobbins and check it out. You can see like these are all apps that are running on Android. You can also check web. You see all the landing pages or maybe web designs. You can see these are all web designs or web platforms. So if I should open this one up, you get to see like the flows. You can see the designs and everything. You can see it has 194 flows. So it will really be an amazing platform for you to explore. And another platform is Maxibest. off.1. So one thing I like about these guys is that they will show you the desktop interface. I think it's like that with other platforms, but I really like these guys on. They will show you the desktop layout and they will show you the mobile layout. So this approach is good for maybe like beginner designers that are still finding it difficult to know how to structure maybe like their designs for different platforms like mobile, tablet, and desktop views, right? This will help you. So when you design it to show you, like you will learn how to restructure your elements on different devices. Like this particular website, if we should go to, let's go to the landing page and select another. Let's say you want to check out this particular design. Let's check it out and see what they've done. So we see the way they've designed it and all. So if you want to view like the mobile and desktop layout, let's see how they presented it here. So this will help you to know when you design for desktop view, you also know how to restructure it for the mobile interface. I think it's still loading. I wanted to show us something. Okay, it has loaded. So let's say this is the desktop layout. This is the mobile layout. So it basically helps you to learn fast and quick. You can see the way they structure it on mobile. That doesn't say that this is the best way, right? But at least you can see how they were able to like restructure their layout. Another thing I like about this platform is that they also give you font inspirations. Like you want to know the typeface that you want to use, right? The typeface you want to use. You want to see how other people have used it. For example, this Inter, right? You can see like lots of typefaces. You can see Roboto. Let's try Inter. So for Inter, you see that 315 websites has used Inter. I mean, on this platform, they were able to like, they have 315 websites where Inter has been used for their design. So if we select Inter to filter, it's going to filter all the websites that used Inter for their design, right? And this will help you to understand or maybe learn how you can actually like use that particular typeface that you want to use for your own design, how others have used. So let's check out this one. If we should check out this guy now, you can see the way they use the Inter typeface on their design. You can see the way they used it. You can see the way they used it, the bold form, the regular form, and all of that. So if we should go to the main website, so let's go to the full website from here. I think they can take us to the full website from here. So click on this to go to the real website for this. We're going to see how it is used. You can see the way the website is awesome. They basically use you can see how they use the Inter typeface on the website. So you guys should check out the platform. It's really they are really nice, and they have unlimited because I think each month they keep populating their website with latest designs. So another platform is Pinterest. Pinterest is a platform that people don't really talk too much about. I don't know why, but Pinterest, you can use Pinterest as a platform for your mood board. Like the way it's laid out here, I can just screen grab this and save this as a mood board, right? Let's say I'm designing an app that for fashion brand, and I don't know the color to use. I can just type color palette for fashion brand. Yeah, or just color palette for fashion. I can just search it and you get to see like inspiration. You can see color palette for fashion, or I can just streamline it and say color palette for ladies wears, right? And it will streamline the color palette for me. You can see it shows me samples of designs or maybe outfits that has the color palette that it's suggesting, right? For me, I can just select this now and select a color palette from it. I can just select this. If I open up this one, you can see like this outfit, it shows all the colors that were used for the outfit. So, or you can just, designing something and you want to get inspiration. You can say landing pages, right? Landing pages. Just search and you will see list of landing pages. Look at lots of them. If I should open up this one, you see how this one was designed, like really cool, right? So this is another platform for you to get design inspirations. If I check out this other one now, this one basically might not be for you to necessarily get design inspiration. Is a platform that is fun. Like, this platform is so fun. Growth.design. It captures case studies of top brands, right? And it's structured it in a way, or it's structured in a way that makes it fun for you to read those case studies. It points out the problem, tells you the solution, and how that solution can be improved on, right? Let's say, like, for example, this Spotify platform, you get to see all the findings, all his discoveries, and how he was able to navigate through the platform, and he was able to solve and identify some things. You can see he backs up every of his findings with pictorial representation. Like, even if you've not used the platform, you will feel at the end of the day, you feel like you've used the platform, like you understand the platform. So you guys might actually check it out. This is one of the platforms that I use to relax, right? When I want to relax and maybe I don't want to do movies or anything, I use this platform to relax. So you guys might want to check it out. Growth.design, right? Not just for case studies. You have other things that you can explore there, right? You can explore psychology readings. You can see Hicks law, you can see priming, cognitive load. Read on all these things. These are some of the things that will help you to understand design, understand your field as a UX designer. You get to understand how things work and why they work the way they do, right? This is actually a very good platform that you need to check out. I hope some of these platforms that I share with you are very helpful. Let me know if they are helpful to you in the comment section, and let me know the other platforms that you use as a source of inspiration. It will really be nice for me to know more other platforms, right? Thank you for staying to the end of the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.